What is collagen? It's a protein that helps maintain healthy joints and skin elasticity. It's the most abundant protein in the body, making up about 30% of your body's total protein. Collagen is found in your bones, muscles, blood, organs, blood vessels, and intestinal lining. What does collagen do to the body? Collagen's main role is to provide structure, strength, and support throughout your body. At what age should a woman start taking collagen? You can begin taking collagen supplements at the age of 20 to 25 as a preventative, or as you start to notice the more visible signs of aging. How can I rebuild collagen in my face? Eat a healthy diet high in nutrients including vitamins A11 and C. Follow a daily skincare routine that includes sunscreen and topical retinol. What form of collagen is best absorbed? Oral collagen supplements in the form of pills, powders, and certain foods are believed to be more effectively absorbed by the body and have skyrocketed in popularity among consumers. They may be sold as collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen. Which fruits and vegetables have the most collagen? Food sources of collagen include the following: fish, chicken, egg whites, citrus fruits, berries, red and yellow vegetables, garlic, white tea. Key insights: Type 1 collagen is the most abundant and forms scar tissue, tendons, ligaments, bones, teeth, skin, and arteries. Type 1 collagen is important for joint health, and taking more of it can help with joint wear and tear. Type 4 collagen is involved in the tissue around the heart, which highlights its importance in maintaining cardiovascular health. Different types of collagen can be sourced from various animal parts, such as chicken sternum, bone marrow, fish skin, and pig skin, highlighting the diverse origins of collagen supplements. If you're vitamin C deficient, collagen will not form in your body, leading to weakness in ligaments and cartilage. They have a small version of scurvy in the arteries. Vitamin C is crucial for the effectiveness of collagen supplements. There are actually 28 plus different types of collagen, but we're going to focus on just 5 of these types: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Collagen is a type of protein that makes up the body's connective tissue. 90% of all collagen is type 1 collagen. Type 1 collagen is used in scar tissue, tendons, ligaments, bones, skin, arteries, teeth. Type 2 collagen is used in joint cartilage. Type 3 collagen is used in mesh around the liver, bone marrow, lymph. Type 4 collagen is used in respiratory tract tissue, intestines, tissue around the heart, digestive system tissue. Type 5 collagen is used in hair, cell surfaces. Note: when it supplements with vitamin C to metabolize collagen. If you have digestive problems, gastric bypass surgery, low stomach acidity, etc., you may not be able to digest collagen from your food.